Nandito kami ngayon ni Neo sa Kidsville. Favorite niya tong laruan dito sa podium while waiting for his musical theater class. Ito yung Village Shop. It's so cute kasi kompleto ng mga props like mga fruits and veggies. Tapos meron pang cheese and chicken. Siyempre plastic to. And then there's hot dogs and steaks. Yan o. And meron pang fish. Yee, fish. Aliw, nakakaaliw. You know what, Neo? I'm so aliw with this. Diba? Ito na yung mga ginrocery ko. Mayroon akong biniling milk. And peanut butter. How much babayaran ko? Store owner Neo. How much will mommy pay ng mga ginrocery ko?
Okay.
Yeah?
$8.
$8 all? $1? Mahal ka, ha? Magsingil. Oh, let's show what I bought. Ito, cute ho. Oh, merong chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. There. And then, I have honey. Bought honey for the tea. And then, there's baked beans. Baked beans. What else? Juice. Some tomato juice. And, wow. How much? How much am I paying for all of these? $8 pa rin?
I said $8.
Let's show them the ano. Yan, no? So, ito yung kanilang shelf. Ayan, may ibang bata naglalaro. Super cute. Kasi merong, ayan, no? Ano ng mga produkto. Aliw. Careful, kid. Careful. Whoa.
That's what it goes to the vegetable.
May vegetable oil, may corn. It's like a real grocery store, huh? Here. You want to also, ano? Reach out for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you won't fall.
Not gonna fall.
Ano ba yan? Kinuha mo? Ketchup. Mili ka sa ketchup, di ba?
Can you
Okay.
please just carry me?
Okay, now.
I just need the white.